Welcome to our latest Instagram marketing video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of Instagram on behalf of your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate Instagram marketing in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos, ready to show you the latest Instagram marketing strategies. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Video number 1. What is Instagram marketing all about? Video number 2. Optimizing your Instagram profile for doing business. Video number 3. Researching the best hashtags and topics for your Instagram campaigns. Video number 4. Creating a basic Instagram marketing post or product teaser. Video number 5. Promoting an Instagram post from the app. Video number 6. Using Instagram stories to raise product awareness. Video number 7. Repurposing your Instagram content for other platforms. Video number 8. Using Instagram Live for a product reveal. Video number 9. Promoting a Facebook post on your Instagram account. Video number 10. Running a Facebook video ad on your Instagram profile. Video number 11. Running a product catalog ad on Instagram. Video number 12. Instagram marketing tips for brands and businesses. Video number 13. Creating the type of Instagram content that customers love. Video number 14. Tips for capturing and editing the perfect Instagram photo. Video number 15. Using and understanding Instagram insights to track your performance. Video number 16. Proven Instagram marketing strategies to try. Video number 17. Instagram marketing do's and don'ts. Video number 18. Instagram marketing premium tools and services to consider. Video number 19. Instagram marketing success stories. Video number 20. Instagram marketing frequently asked questions. I know you'll love this training. What is Instagram marketing all about? Hey there, everyone. Welcome to Instagram Marketing, the ultimate Instagram marketing crash course for anyone who wants to learn how to use Instagram to build their online presence and grow their business. We want to thank you for picking us as your guide in this exciting journey, as well as congratulate you for your decision to improve your online marketing game. Here you're going to learn all you need to launch and grow your brand or business on Instagram, how to reach the perfect type of customer, and how to generate more profits with advanced level strategies. But first, let's start with the basics. What is Instagram marketing? Instagram marketing is quite simply the use of the Instagram platform and its features to market your content, your brand, your products, your services, and your business. Content creators, brands, marketers, and businesses have learned how to use it to share stuff like pictures and videos in a way that is so casual that immediately engages, which makes it the perfect platform to promote and sell through visual discovery. Instagram marketing is a combination of organic social media marketing strategies, visual discovery, and built-in advertising features that are unique to the Instagram ecosystem. How does it work? Instagram marketing works great because it lets you showcase your products with images, and because it helps you create brand awareness through photos and videos that you can use to tell stories, or to highlight the coolest parts of the lifestyle that you want customers to associate with your brand. You can leverage Instagram's scrollable gallery format to grab the attention of users with a powerful image or video that makes them stop to check your post. Once you've captured the attention of a user with a visual element in your post, the next step is to make them take action. Instagram helps you in this step by letting you add copy, captions, calls to action, and hashtags into your post. This is how you can drive people to a landing page, or to comment, or to click on a hashtag to discover related content. This simple method is very effective to drive awareness, engagement, and action in basically any business-to-consumer niche. And it works because it helps the user make an instant visual and emotional connection with what you're trying to sell. For example, if you're running a baking shop, you can post photos of your sweets to Instagram 2 or more times a day. And you can optimize your image posts with hashtags related to that business, as well as with geo keywords that'll help potential customers in your area to discover your shop. Couple that with behind-the-scenes videos to give your shop an air of coolness, and soon you'll be attracting new customers to your shop. Other powerful features such as integration with Facebook ads can help you take your business to the next level because they let you run paid ads and promotions across Instagram, Facebook, and many other places around the web. Why should you consider Instagram marketing for your business? Instagram is big and active. There, you'll find over 1 billion active accounts worldwide every single month. This gives you a great opportunity to expand your business to a larger and possibly global audience. 90% of Instagram users follow and interact with business accounts. Of those, at least 30% have purchased products that they have seen on Instagram. Instagram helps you to showcase your products or services in a very casual way, thanks to its unique creative tools and immersive formats. Instagram enhances the way you reach people with your message along the customer journey. Instagram allows you to create a profile that is visually appealing and where you can add a backlink to your business website or any other landing page. It integrates with Facebook advertising, which will help you to explode your reach and sales with ads that are cheap and high converting. What's the future for Instagram marketing? Instagram is working on amazing features for businesses as we speak. And one that is worth looking forward to is integration with Facebook's Brand Collabs, a platform where content creators can find brands that they can partner with. Another cool feature Instagram is working on is running Instagram shopping posts as ads, which are posts that feature products that people can purchase with a single click. This can be a tremendous opportunity for independent product creators and small retail brands on Instagram to increase their sales. The future looks bright and profitable for Instagram marketers. So, are you ready to learn all about Instagram marketing and get ready to make it big? Yes? Then awesome. See you in Lesson 1 next. Optimizing your Instagram profile for doing business. Hey there everyone! Welcome to lesson number 1 of the latest Instagram marketing training. Here, you'll learn how to get your Instagram account ready to promote your stuff and do business. When you create an Instagram account, you only get access to basic features for common users. But if you want to be able to use business-friendly features such as your business profile, promoted posts, and insights, you have to switch to a professional account. And in this lesson, we are going to show you how to do it easily the right way. Getting started. Start by opening the Instagram app and log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner. Once in the profile section, tap on the menu icon on the upper right corner, then tap on Settings. Now you are going to tap on Account. Next, click on the Linked Accounts option. What you'll do now is to connect your Facebook account to your Instagram account. This will make switching easier. For this, tap on the Facebook tab. Make sure you are already logged into Facebook on your device when you do this. Tap on Connect. You can then select whether to enable Facebook sharing to share your Instagram Connect to Facebook automatically. For this example, we are going to tap on Not Now. Switching to a professional account. Switching to a professional account is the best way to grow your brand and business on Instagram, because that's how you can access professional tools that are not available to basic accounts, such as advertising and analytics. Doing the switch is very easy, and you can do it in just a few taps without leaving your device. Start by tapping on the profile icon to go back to the profile section. There, tap on the Edit Profile button. Once in the Edit Profile section, tap on the Switch to Professional Account link. The first step is to select which best describes you. You can select Creator if you run an account for a public figure, a content producer, an artist, or an influencer. Or you can select Business if you'll run an account for a retailer, a local business, a brand, an organization, or a service provider. For this example, we are going to select Business so we can switch the account that we manage for our online business. As you can see here, switching to a professional account will allow you to learn more about your followers through insights, to reach more customers with paid promotions, and to add a contact button to your profile that will make it easier for people to get in touch with your business. Let's tap on the Continue button to move on. The next step is to select a category. You can either select a category from the list of suggested categories, or you can enter a keyword into the Search Categories field to find the perfect category. Once you select a category, tap on Next. Now it is time to add your public business information. There are 3 types of contact info you can add here: your business email address, your business phone number, and your business address. The information will be displayed on your profile so people can contact you easily without having to visit your website first. Here you simply have to add your contact info and then to click on Next. In case you don't want to add this information to your profile, tap on Don't Use My Contact Info. In this example, we are going to add only our business email address, which is filled by default. So we'll tap on Next to continue. Now it is time to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page. Start by selecting the Facebook page of your business from this list, then tap on Next. Customizing your profile. Now that you've successfully switched to a professional account, tap on Go to Profile. Then tap on Edit Profile to go to your Instagram business profile to apply some optimizations. Start by tapping on Website. Here you are going to add the URL of your business website. Now tap on Bio to add a brief description of your brand or business, and to add keywords as hashtags related to your business and niche. Later on, you can use this field as part of a funnel, where you can send people from a post to an actionable link that you'll add to your bio. To finish, tap on Done. And that'll be it, friends. This is how you can get your Instagram account ready for business. Researching the best hashtags and topics for your Instagram campaigns. Hey there, friends! You've just turned your personal Instagram account into an optimized professional account to do business, and now you're ready for work. The first thing you'll do before creating content for the platform is to find the best hashtags to use with your account. Finding targeted keywords in your niche is important, because you can add those as hashtags to your posts to make your content more discoverable. And in this lesson, we are going to share with you the easiest way to find the best hashtags and topics to use for your business. Getting started. You can easily find the best hashtags and topics for your business using Instagram's search function. For this, simply open the app while logged into your account and tap on the search icon. This will take you to the search page. Most people use this section to find trending content published by the accounts that they follow, related accounts, and to find content and accounts using keywords, just like they would do on Google. Likewise, you can use this feature the same way to find your hashtags and topics. Finding top hashtags and topics. You can start by checking what's on top of search results when you use one of your base niche keywords. A base niche keyword is simply a keyword that is common, high traffic, and openly used in your industry. For example, if you run an account for a beauty blog, you can use makeup as your base keyword. In our case, because we run an account for a wellness and health business, we are going to type healthy into the search bar. This will show you top results related to your keyword. As you can see, this includes personal accounts, business accounts, hashtags, and even locations related to that keyword. There are two things that you can do with these results. One is to take note of featured hashtags. As you can see, these hashtags are featured in millions of posts across Instagram, and they're targeted at users looking for specific topics related to your keyword. In our case, you can see that top topics related to our keyword include lifestyle and food. This means that you can add these long-tail keywords to related posts so we can reach people looking for that kind of content. The other way you can use these results is to explore featured accounts to reverse engineer the content that they create and to collect the hashtags that they use. For example, you can tap on this featured account to check their profile. Here you can see the keywords that they use and how they customize their profile. Let's tap on one of their posts. Then let's scroll to the bottom of the caption where we'll find the hashtags. As you can see, there are some hashtags on this post that you may not be familiar with, but that are related to the niche that we are researching. What this means is that there is an audience made of people that are using these hashtags to find this type of content. So it is a good idea to save these hashtags to a file, so we can use them on a similar post to attract this audience to our account. Finding related hashtags. There is also a dedicated section where you will only find hashtags that are related to your keyword. Let's go back to the search section so we can show you. There, tap on the Tags tab. Here you will find all those other hashtags that you can use to reach your perfect audience. One thing you'll notice is that some of the hashtags on top were already featured in the top section. So the correct strategy here is to find lower traffic hashtags at the bottom of this section. Hashtags with 1 million posts or more are great because they are used by a lot of focused members of your target audience who are much more engaged with the content that they're looking for. This means that these hashtags, while they don't generate as much traffic as hashtags with over 20 million posts, generate more relevant engagement, and they're less likely to attract engagement from bots, which can lower the score of your account. So, what you'll do now is to tap on one of those keywords to see what type of posts are using it. This will help you to find ideas to create content of your own. Something cool you can do is tap on follow to follow content posted using this hashtag and to see even more related hashtags to examine and follow. And that's it, my friends. Now take your time to check the rest of the hashtags featured in the tag section so we can move to the next step.